But
It
mother,
means him own money when get.
you know
Hold
what?
on, girl.
Everything happened in the right way. It might not look right, but it happened in the right way. You see that picture that they sent out with Brit, right? In that situation. You see if Zozo was the one going there,
I
I bet
hate
them
it.
that
I hate that
Zozo do it.
picture.
And
I
the brother
hate.
friend named
Listen.
Alex.
Whosoever took that picture
And the brother
in
named
her
Alex.
state of mind,
Then say the sister take it.
No, the,
However,
the
it's a
are
family
brother.
cruel
member.
And the brother
people.
Alex.
Because why? All right. What family that love them family gonna take a picture like that and send it to somebody to post it on social media?
And the person that
But,
me repost it, me blame them too. But however,
no, you
you see
can't blame.
them, they could have
Listen,
posted it
girl, you
enough
cannot
and
blame
said
the
that she's not
person.
getting the right
Lassie, give me
treatment.
a minute, please. You cannot blame the people them that repost it. You have to blame the person that take the video.
Right.
No matter if you see something discriminating as
Girl,
a
don't tell me no.
TikToker,
Lati, do not tell me about no. A blogger, TikTok patrol, and Britain is not no family. Them not have, and everybody going to have compassion, and everybody going to use them conscience and say them now post certain things. Because a person that is looking to come up on social media, they are going to post that video. They don't care. They don't care how it look. But the people that were supposed to care how it look.
but it could be twisted in no matter because it's alright. I see her hands tied behind her back.
Lati not twisted about it because if we go to the hospital and my mother, my sister, my brother and somebody who care about it at the hospital, I not take a blood clot video of them and send it to come to the blogger.
No, what I'm saying, you see the way how she is, if they were taking the picture, if they say, look how them a treat Brittany. This is not the medical treatment we
Maybe it's a random
then,
person. The sister not care about how them treat Brittany. The sister don't care about how them treat Brittany, so what are you saying? But maybe it can be a random person took the video also.
True.
It
What
can be a random
is,
person took the video. It can be a hospital staff we mix up and follow protocol and take the video and send it up. Well, Lati, thanks for your concern, Philippi.
Sure, no problem, honey.
Shay now gonna get let off the hook because Shay's behavior is saying that she don't give a fuck.
Yeah,
because
really.
Guess what? You can't see somebody trying to help the girl that you care about and you are banting them. You go out of your way for banting them and guess who you want to go there to go look? The family where you know don't care about her. So make it make sense.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, say a Queenie first start bantan Zozo. A Queenie first, you know. That's why I'm going to have Queenie off the off.
Make it make sense. All right, let me hear from Stacy now.
Yes, mother. Everything that you're saying, I'm in complete agreement with. And what is wrong with some of these people that are dedicated to some of these TikTokers? They're very one-sided and very hypocritical.
Hold on them. My life go now move. We have to wait.
I'm sending you three already. Anyway, talk, mother.
Hold on, a good girl. I'm not cut you. I'm make the people go in the box. The next time I have to tell somebody say don't talk when somebody say talk, I'm going to respectfully remove it from the box and you can send back a request and come back and do the right thing because we have talked the truth over here and we're not sugarcoat nothing.
Yes, as I was saying, everything that you say I totally agree with. And I am very disappointed in some of these dedicated followers of their TikTokers that when they see their TikTokers are doing the wrong thing, they lie, they cover up, and they disguise their favorite bad behavior. Now, Shay behavior is in no way acceptable. Shay know exactly that she hustled off Brit. She used Brit, and exactly what you said, blocked the one person who would give Brit joy out of Brit's life, which is Zozo.
Yes.
Right? And next thing I have to say,
and let's not forget the two other persons, the guy with the long
the two
hair.
best friends, the guy and his girlfriend.
I don't know if the girl is his girlfriend, but yes, guys, we're not gonna throw it under the mat now. They're benefiting from it now, but they might do the right thing while they're benefiting. But is she doing the right thing while she's benefiting?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And exactly what you say, Mother. Shay did what she do to Zozo because she thought that Zozo would have gotten some of these donations that normally she would have received. And if Shay had any concern and care for Brittany, before she left to do her surgery, she would have handed over a certain amount of authority, money, and certain information to Zozo, make Zozo pick up where she leave off because she's going for a surgery. Now, if I collect money for somebody and I know I'm going for my surgery, and I know that Zozo is a capable person that Brittany is listening to, I'd have to communicate with Zozo, get some of the money, if not all the money. I would have given him a percentage of the money and say, while I'm in hospital and recovering, this is what I'm handing over to you to take over the wheels until I can stand on my feet. I haven't seen Shay done that.
You know what?
Macy, may I say something,
Oh yeah,
please?
lovely. Sorry, lovely go. Sorry.
No,
Go.
you may not. You may not speak until Stacy finish. You may not speak. But tell us that we have the whole day, so we have to be patient. We have to make the public understand and know what the hell is going on. Because people are pretending like them naive and people have them favorites and they're going to side with them favorites. Me not side with nobody can side with the situation. Go ahead.
Now, if Shay really did care, because me care, I know me I go for a surgery, and that's calling to Shay, me book my surgery long time, I would have to pre-plan that is either I postpone or put back my surgery and go to Jamaica and deal with Brittany, or I communicate, as what I say, with the person who I think is taking the best care of Brittany, which is in these circumstances, Zozo. No, she needed to communicate with Zozo as well as hand over some of the money that was collected to Zozo. If she didn't need to give him all, but she should have given him some of that money to do the basic runaround until she's back on her feet and capable.
Universe, guys, please. Follow TikTok Universe. Come on, guys. Bring up TikTok Universe page. Follow TikTok Universe, guys. So, TikTok Universe one, come up. Follow TikTok Universe, please. I'm sorry, Stacey, for intervening. Go ahead.
That's okay. She should have handed over and communicated with Zozo, because she obviously see that Brittany will communicate and will listen to Zozo. The reason for her
Say me love Zozo. If me not
Zozo,
love
the river washing head. I said, wash your head. I throw water upon the girl head and washing it. Come here, okay, you got river. Why one of them never friend him and can't go river?
Zozo across the board, Una like that dead. No go and love blood.
two man, me big up Zozo to the max.
Zozo no have no bad intention. Yeah, Zozo tell her, say, you're not here. You're not here.
She want do the live in the hospital, you know, so she can't do the live. That's how when she have the most said.
No one is supposed to prove how genuine the youth is. The man,
Him genuine from him heart and him fierce.
15,000 viewers. And the man end that. Brit give him the phone for video head back, the man kiss him teeth and end the live. Come on now.
You don't want no live. If you show a sign and a cloth him a look, you don't want no live.
Sure.
If him look cloud initially, him know there's a time and place for everything. So him
For
genuine.
everything.
Right.
True. Because even when him carry her up at the hospital for her head, you know, she want to be on the live, and when the security I tell her no, Zozo did again. Not really ignorant. Him I said to her, say, Brit, end the live no man and get your head dress or whatsoever, but Brit never want end the live.
Guys, come
Genuinely dead and fear.
Hold on them. Who in the box on that not yet? Shanique Reeves.
Please say close. Zozo money. Brit taxes Zozo care money. Big soap and light says Zozo give me money.
Then I see Zozo give money and Britta say, what this can do? What this can do? Zozo give too much. Brit say, see me a top girl. This is money?
Yeah. Latanya, thank you. All right, I'm hear from Sherilos.
Hello everybody. Me no understand because me I watch Brit from Brit just come up on internet. And Nicki Minaj days is like her off and send her a gift. And member say Brit and her family never agree one bit. So all of a sudden family is so up in a Brit because them say people are help Brit. The only reason why them the back of Brit now because the whole community and everybody are turned down upon Brit. Everybody are turned down against the family and the community. That's what they might do. They might do it as a sham. If you say, Lord God, you look too bad, come go to hospital, go look for her. How can you go to hospital, go look for your sister, and if you care, no clothes,
No food.
no food,
No food.
nothing?
Hey, you know, see Zozo pretty bed tippers. You know, see, man have tears. Look on the bed, sip as
Let me tell you, Zozo have genuine intention for Brit. You hear? Because him a cuss out Brit raw to say, you know, hear, you know, and you know, listen, and you must learn to listen, and when me tell the right thing, you must understand. Him understand her behavior, and he realize her sick, she sick, and him have patience with Brit. Him man full of patience until.
But remember,
Zozo, yeah, man saying things saying could have do it on his own, but when he's saying one more head.
Bust her head. The man got river a nurse Brit head.
Alright, so hold on now. And when Brit get her head boss, the sister did come out and attack?
No.
No, but I have a cousin living in a neighborhood. And she tell me say a wally pattern Wally part time Brit have episode over the internet and in the community, and no family was there to back Brit. Me remember when Brit and husband live and some Brit has stone family has throw up and burn up and Brit. Who remember the live there?
Yeah.
And Brit has stone and Brit to them cutter or washing machine card. Them do everything for Brit because they want Brit come out of the yard and go so they can take over the woman house.
But here I know,
the
ex-boyfriend,
hold on there. So want to come on my house.
Shirley does, listen, the ex-boyfriend bust Brit head. Where's the family? Where's
the family? If you got an ex-boyfriend, yeah, don't war him.
Oh, exactly.
So why they war with Zoe?
And yesterday them broke in a Brit house. I take out, yesterday them clean out Brit house yesterday. Who broke in Brit house? Not much the family member?
I say, when Brit have her chicken on the live, and Brit said the whole of her chicken are dead off. And here Brit about live, she feel her dirty family might kill off her chicken them. And I believe her.
Some of them know what kind of family share them talk about now.
Tell me to understand what kind of family share talk about now. Me respect Zozo, because young boy now sit down with no mental ill girl nowadays. And him sit down with Brit. And him have patience with Brit. And him take time with Brit. When everybody are cussing a class, Brit him show Brit the right way. And when Brit now want to listen to him cuss out Brit, Ralph say, listen to me, you have to listen to me, because the right thing me I tell you. Enough young boy now pick up Brit and never stay here. And him sit down with Brit. Whether or not he might do it for clout or money, nothing wrong if Zozo get the money off of Brit.
But you this scam them come up with Zozo give Brit Mali. And this scam that them come up with now, you know.
If Zozo make money off of
so TikTok
nothing wrong with that. Them two of them enjoy themselves. Nothing wrong with that.
How the mother come out with all type of something. Me have kids
hello. Me see with happiness when she there on Zozo. Or when she there on this jet ski for life in the water. I be a smile, Brit a smile. Brit happy when she there on Zozo. Yeah?
Boy, me not lie. Even though I'm sick, she still make people laugh, you know. All the married sitting there.
Zozo mean Brit well. Me not ask you. Whether this man with money, yes or no. Nothing wrong if you get a little change. Everybody wants a little help. But it mean Brit well.
We're going to have a minute there. Guys, the live goal now move. Period. The live goal now move not at all. The live goal now move not at all. The live goal now move not at all. But listen, I'm going to summarize. I think
I say, Zozo, she tells Zozo, the family say Zozo by Mali for. But she says she love Zozo, the guy. Because the guy treat her good. So if somebody get a Mali, that's a bad something. Because Mali are one dangerous drugs.
No!
Yeah, but I like the family I tell.
I'm going to take out the mother to the box now.
Yeah, we say no.
Oh, don't come up with this Mali narrative. Brittany was taking
the M-word.
Before Zozo came in the fucking picture. What's taking it? Bumba clad. I don't talk, me love, I can't work with this.
No, talk, mother, talk. Use the M word. Use the M word.
Making a lot of sense, and I want to hear what she's saying.
Listen.
All I
Destiny and the mother talk, you know.
Mother finish talk.
Destiny and the mother talk on the phone. Because she say, ask the mother, love the guy, kind of treat the guy good. The guy treat.
That's why people can know and trick on all the time. They can just talk, and you know listen. And when the people them come and talk, and I tell them lies because they're so invested in the mix up and the drama. We're not actually listen what the people them are talk. So when time them come back and talk again, we're not gonna get to distinguish the lies them and the truth because they don't listen. They don't listen at all. They don't listen. They just talk. You not analyze, you not listen, you not listen, none talk, you not hear, but you don't listen. The family them, Brittany used to drink. Brittany did not take Mali before, Zozo. Why everybody want to control the fans? I wanted a Dutch guy in a minute to come up with the bomber clock knives now, youth. And what are them?
Finish that, mother.
It is annoying to me how you get so easily manipulated. And you not even get manipulated, you just go all about and you listen to the people them trash and then rubbish them at all. Shay used Brittany because Shay want to have a say in this. Secondly, Shay knew that she can make money off of Brittany's situation. The way at first I thought Shay cared about Brittany, but after watching everything unfold, I realized that Shay just used Brittany. Because I'm not gonna buy it that the family them came out from under the, like them didn't hibernate for years. Didn't give a fuck about Brittany for years. When Brittany get strangers came into their house, in their yard, come beat them sister. The brothers didn't defend it, the sisters didn't defend it, and the mother, the auntie, them, nobody never blood clot defend it. So where the blood clot, the family them come from now, like them give up 2 fucks about Brittany. You know watch it over the years, how the family them treat Brittany. So why can I care the family them care about Brittany now?
I know I come and tell like Zozo, but Zozo give her liar.
Them want to use Zozo as a scapegoat because them realize that Zozo actually give a fuck.
Right.
And anything them put on the girl, Zozo, I got bring her to the forefront now for she get help. Them no want Britney get no blood clot help. So them tired on Britney. I share aid them in them plot. Because Shay have no good intentions for y'all. You know what? Anybody want to talk? Come on, about this.
Talk. Well, listen, I am
because everybody come now. Talk. Oh, Shay talk to the sister. The sister get power of attorney. Of course, the sister go want power of attorney because the sister no want Zozo in the hospital. The sister no want Britney experience no love. The sister no want Britney come to terms. Nothing at all. So they want to do everything for black kids. And in some people's eyes now, all the family are help. What can I help? Your sister admitted in the hospital. And you're going to look for your sister and you know carry 2 nightgowns. Whether 2 what she having at the house already. And you buy 2 new one. She begs 2,000 out for Brittany. You send family over there, but you not send no money for the family to go visit. And the person that is bringing all the necessities to the hospital to her, the balloons that cheer her up, the nice things that make she feel like she's wanted and cared for, and the person the black from go see her. Make it make sense.
You know, say, me not cut him, Macy. You know, so when the lady cock and me that watch the live on Top Girl first, and the lady come on and say she's not Brittany mother, she's Brittany mother cousin, and a people in the
mother. So why everybody coming over here in the comment section saying that it's Brittany's mother?
No, listen now. A people in the comment now say stop making the woman tell her like a Brittany mother that we know her voice. And so come she end the live and say she gonna give Destiny her number, and so come she tell Destiny say yes she a Brittany mother. So why you come live from the first place?
So why the mom come under this guy as Brittany?
Exactly.
Why the mom? Why she embarrassed that Brittany is her daughter?
Give her safe, so she's a big liar. So we can't trust what she said in the second place right now. Can she tell lie in the first place? Why
then now she called Destiny on the phone, and it's like when Destiny talked to her, it's like Destiny said, "Did you know that Brittany got grape?" She said she not like she tell Destiny so she don't know about that.
So she didn't know what I was alive.
And then now Destiny gonna say yes, it happened to me. But she not tell you because it happened to me. And when me attend and when me come over the States, me tell my mother said that happened. Me I said that I lie. That woman the
mother know.
That over again.
The mother know. And Brit say everybody in their family know. The mother know.
Tell you this, I'm in a business what nobody wants to say. Yes, it's also. Me have my doubts for him when him just come out in the bottom of the only somebody The only somebody will rate and respect and want good for that girl. Everybody else are fool. Everybody take themselves money and platform, nothing
She
else.
can't have her way with Zozo. Okay, if Zozo should she try to fuck her, Zozo can tell her, say, I saw fuckery, I don't stop that right now.
Exactly. Remember, I know Zozo could have told her to say,
say me not good.
You know when
Zozo
Zozo wrong. Remember when Zozo said him come on live and say when him going to Brit back and see some things him have to get mad and bunny. A long time they know the girl over there take the pill. So what all I know una come and talk about say and that she say. Even if and that she say una put it in the comment section the youth now give her that.
Listen, let me tell you what
Just tell them that we get the money.
Give me another moment. Give me another moment, please. I pay attention. All right. This is Shay's, and I'm not saying this because I don't care about Shay. I really don't care about Shay because Shay is a fake money.
Yeah.
Listen, this is Shay's problem. Shay's not going to tell you what is a real issue. But observe and look. This is Shay's real problem. Okay. Again, I'm going to ask. When Shay came out begging money for Brittany, did Shay once said, oh, I'm in contact with Brittany's auntie, and we're going to merge together and combine together and see if we can assist Brittany and give her some help. She came out like she was doing it out of the goodness of her heart, right? When she came out and when she got the money, I was on Damien's live when Shay said she have some of the money already and somebody said she need 1,000. This is what this, I'm repeating what Shay said. I need 1,000 more. Somebody say if we get 500, they will back it up with the next 500. And Damien said, okay, I'm going to send you the 500 now. And ask her for your PayPal. And Damien sent Shay the 500. And then Shay said she get the 500 from the next person who did not send the 500. So that means she had the money to go look about Brittany. When you hear Shay say, Western Union now work a Belgium, and Western Union alone them have over there? No. Zozo came in the picture after, right? Immediately when Zozo came in the picture, we didn't hear Shay rebelling about Zozo. Shay started to rebel about Zozo when Zozo, because she realized Zozo is taking the attention of a she where Brittany is concerned, and people are right with Zozo because Brittany look a bit more happy with Zozo. So the people must say, no man, even if Zozo a benefit from this, so be it, Brittany seem more happier. Brittany got up on the bike in the water and talk and laugh. You know how long when I see Brittany smile? You know how long when I see Brittany look like she happiness? So when she sees the people that give Zozo now, in her head now, in her mental, she has a bumper clot. Zozo take it right out of my hand. Zozo take it out, I forgot bantan in my now, you know, because I get all of the money and I get everything. So I see what I go. She take a look at time and say, okay, I go come out and say, Zozo are dear Mali.
Yeah, but una take attention from Queenie took her. Queenie the mastermind behind everything.
Yeah, well, and then now, she am out big and loud. She come now, a bantan Zozo now, because people are going to say,